we'll guide you through how to rig in Blender using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you've set up your model in the scene. You want to be in object mode to start. Go to the top menu and click on the Add dropdown, then select Armature and choose Single Bone. This bone will appear in the center of your scene. Switch to Edit mode by selecting your armature and pressing the Tab key. Here, you can add more bones by pressing Shift+A. Position these bones within your model to align them with the parts you want them to control. For instance, if you're rigging a character, align the bones with the limbs and spine. Once you've set up your skeleton, go back to object mode. Select your model, then your armature by holding Shift, so both are highlighted. Press Ctrl+P to bring up the parent menu, and select With Automatic Weights. This will bind your model to the armature and automatically assign weights to the vertices, allowing the bones to control the mesh. You can test your rig by switching to pose mode, selecting individual bones, and rotating them using the R key to see how they influence your model. If adjustments are needed, go to Weight Paint mode to refine how the mesh deforms with each bone. Use the brush tool to paint weights, giving you precise control over how each bone affects the mesh. This is essential for achieving realistic movements. Don't forget to save your work frequently to avoid losing your progress. By following these steps, you will have successfully rigged your model in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.